and gentlemen, and welcome to SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here, along with the loaded gun, Chad Bartlett, one half of the East Tennessee Tag Team Champions.
That's right.
SOM, get some. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank each and every one of you that joined us last week.
Oh, look who it is. Look who it is, baby.
All right, we got Brian Rivers out here. All right, now Brian Rivers, what's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of this? I'll tell you what the meaning of this is. Get that up here. Mook!
Yes, he does.
Shut up so I can talk, you butcher.
Disrespect.
As I was so rudely interrupted, I was trying to say, Mook, BTSG. Beating me was a fluke, pal. And I'm here for you. So you, Corky, get word to the back. Get him out here.
Now, Mook. There you go. There's the BTS, excuse me, Mook.
To show you the best, I gotta show you the beast. I was holding back, I just took off the leash. I hear that loud talk, he don't mean shit to me.
Well, it looks like he's not.
Boy, yes indeed.
Looks like he's not coming.
I gotta show you the beast. I was holding back, I just took off the leash. I hear that loud talk, he don't
Well, no Mook. So, what are you gonna do about it?
He's a coward.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go to the back. And if I don't find Mook, I'm gonna find somebody else. And it's their fate. It's their ass right here today.
Go get her. Go get her.
Well, the East Tennessee heavyweight champion, Brian Rivers, determined to find Mook or anyone he can in the back. Brian Rivers, he's got somebody here. It's the Ginger Ninja, Bruce Samuels.
Oh,
And
bad day for the Ginger
Samuels takes
Ninja.
that cowbell right across the back. We got an impromptu matchup here. Brian Rivers hits the lariat.
Daggone, man.
We saw him use that. And
Oh!
there he goes. Another lariat for Bruce Samuels. Folks, before I was so rudely interrupted, and
You were rudely.
not as rudely interrupted as Bruce Samuels there was in the back.
I mean, he is paying the consequences for Mook being a coward. If Mook wasn't such a coward, this wouldn't be happening right now.
Well, we want to thank everyone that joined us for Holiday Havoc last Sunday here at SOM. And Brian Rivers winning the advantage in that War Games matchup for the family. So it'll be the family with the advantage against the Julies and Henderson and that mystery partner. Brian Rivers shoved the.
Oh my God!
It's Ginger Ninja with the fourth or fifth lariat there. All right, there's the bell. This thing is over, and
I mean, it never really begun. This wasn't a wrestling match. This was a beatdown.
calling out Mook, and the match is over.
As you should
Never
know.
even started. Let's see another short arm lariat.
As you should know, it's over, Corky, whenever Brian Rivers says it's over.
Samuels.
He don't need no referee.
And Brian Rivers shouting out to Texas.
Whoa!
Wait a minute.
What is going on here?
I can't see.
What
a
is
thing.
going
I was
on here?
having some
Hey!
technical difficulties. But
I told you I ain't in for none of this spooky
something.
crap.
I heard someone
What?
hit the mat there.
Hey! What's going on here?
Brian Rivers is down. I don't know if Bruce Samuels get up. Does his karate work better in the dark? I don't know, but folks, certainly a strange phenomenon here. The lights out and Brian Rivers, the East Tennessee champion, down in the middle of the ring. And, asking for help. Will you help him out? While he's doing that, we're going to take you to a message from the White Claw Outlaws right after this, folks.
Take out the trash!
Spaceman here for SOM Live, standing here with Judas and the family. You guys asked for this time tonight ahead of the main event. Y'all had some kind of announcement?
Yeah, I have it on good authority, mainly mine. That Silas Dooley is here alone tonight, and I want to know what the White Claw Outlaws think about all that right now.
Alone. Alone? Alone.
Alone.
Just like he is most nights. Alone. So Silas, I don't know what you had to do to not be allowed to go to a Dooley family wedding, but I'm glad you got banned, because tonight you're going to get what's coming to you. Tell them, Chad.
Hey, I heard that they can't put lipstick on the pigs no more on the damn Dooley farm. You know why that is. Silas Dooley, he can't control himself, right? So he's the outcast, the outlier. We got the weak link right here. All the family, you see us? We stick together through any weather, any storm. It don't matter. We're going to take it tonight to the throat of Silas Dooley.
I like those rhymes, man. You spit better than Drake.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Do you have your own writer?
Do I have my own writer? No, I don't. It's off the dome. It'll be on the tombstone if I wrote it.
All right, so what are your plans tonight, Judas, with Silas Dooley?
It's for us to know and everybody else to find out.
You know what, Judas? I actually have an idea. Speaking of weak links, what have you did here recently, Austin Henry, or should I say, Joey Lawrence? Whoa! I have an idea. You take on Silas Dooley. You soften him up for the war games, and you show us what you got, kid. Because you ain't been showing a lot here recently. Alpha male. It's a pretty good idea.
Well, Austin, what do you got to say about that?
The only thing I gotta show, Bronson, is right here on my shoulder. It's the SOM Uprising Championship.
Thanks to us.
Yeah.
I think this proves everything I need to prove. But you want me to go one-on-one with Silas Dooley?
That's what I said. I didn't stutter, did I?
That sounds like a great idea.
Actually, just
Hey, and you just sit back and you let me handle business. All right?
Whoa! Well, there you have it, folks. We got Austin Henry versus Silas Dooley tonight in the main event. Seems like there's a little bit of dissension in the camp here.
Spell that, spaceman.
Yeah, we can hear you, by the way. We're like standing right here.
Everybody out there can see it. They can see the disrespect y'all been showing this young man. I can see it, and the people can see it. And we'll get down to the bottom of that later. But this is Spaceman for SOM Live. Y'all make sure y'all keep it locked. Big main event tonight. Silas Dooley going up against the uprising champ, Austin Henry. Y'all keep it locked. Whoa!
Back for action. Still in that chicken costume.
I'm glad all of you idiots think this is funny. Oh my God.
That chicken suit until he wins another matchup. He'll have an opportunity right here today on SOM Live.
And this man deserves more respect than all these toothless idiots out here in Tennessee give him. He has held up his end of the bargain, even though he was screwed over and we all saw it. He's still wearing the chicken suit like a man, like he's supposed to. You deserve to give him at least a little bit of respect.
The opportunity to get out of it. He's got a matchup right here today against Draco.
And where's Draco? Oh, wait a minute! Hey! Hey! He's coming from a... Whoa! Oh, no!
Handspring off, bounces off the ropes, and Draco hits the cartel cutter. There's the bell, and...
No!
There it is.
He hadn't even had a chance.
Draco wins this thing.
He hadn't even had a chance. That's a coward's move. That's a coward's move.
He'll have another opportunity tomorrow.
Draco is a coward.
Uprising to get out of that thing.
How many times tonight is this going to happen, Corky? Where's security around here?
Let's see if I can get a word with Draco here. Folks, Draco, congratulations on a quick victory here at SOM Live. Now, we haven't seen you on SOM Live since you were stuffed into that casket back in October at Fright Night. What's coming up? What's going on next? Draco.
See, there's one thing that I've been gunning for. Una cosa que me ha extrañado. Una cosa que yo quiero. Y lo que voy a regresar a hacer, what I have come back to do, is take that X Division title from Dr. Joe Briggs, Roger the Alien looking puto.
Yeah, we've seen the mind games over the past few weeks here, and now you're here in person. Well, what's going on? We've got a live event coming up at the Johnson City Community Theater, December 28th.
Si ese imbécil tiene los huevos para entrar en la jaula, if Joe Briggs has the cajones to step into a cage with Draco, that will be his resting place and the last time he's ever gonna see that X Division championship again.
And you've heard it, folks, the challenge from Draco after playing the mind games these past few weeks against Joe Briggs. Let's see if it happens in the cage at Christmas Star Wars 2. Feliz Navidad, Draco. And folks, the next, right now, a word from Hard Luck Derek Williams.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
The great Merle Haggard once said, "You put down my country, you're on the fighting side of me, hoss." Jason Blythe, years ago, I took an oath to defend the Constitution from all enemies, foreign and domestic. I'll fight to my last breath to defend your right to say what you got to say, but make no mistake, I'm gonna beat your ass.
You have it, folks. BTSG able to retain his SOM Heavyweight Championship.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Corky. Here he was, declothing the competitor, trying to take the title away from him. Bronson Garrett came in there to wrestle. BTSG came out at the Christmas show that we did live on YouTube and Facebook, jumped him from behind. Now he's ripping his clothes off. That's the champion y'all deserve, Corky. That's the champion you deserve.
Well, Bronson Garrett's no stranger to showing his, well, you know what, and then from there, at Christmas Star Wars 2, it would go on to be the Bunkhouse Stampede. Ricky Morton, the winner.
And you know, here's another situation. I was robbed. I won the Bunkhouse Stampede. Everybody saw it. At the end, the crowd was going wild because they were like, the loaded gun won. What is this? Ricky Morton. What did you do to win that match? I want to know. I was there. I didn't see him win it.
Well, you were there, yeah. You didn't know where you were. You were there, though.
Conspiracy, Corky.
Rock and roll. He believes he and Luscious.
He's done. Oh my God!
Wait a minute. RT3 ducked and Maverick.
Holy cow!
Took out Luscious Lawrence, and now RT3 hits the spear and a 3 count. Maverick has got to get out of there. This is it now. Oh, Luscious Lawrence with the power slam on RT3 and a 3 count. And then there were 2. Luscious Lawrence and the Hall of Famer, 8-time World Tag Team Champion.
Get him, Luscious.
Morton. And no love lost for these two as they were involved in our tag team main event at Once Upon a Christmas. And Ricky Morton said he hadn't forgot what happened. Keep that in mind, Luscious, because Luscious Lawrence had his feet on the rope. He used additional leverage. He cheated to get the win over Ricky Morton and RT3. And now it's down between those two.
The match at hand looks like this, Corky. Luscious Lawrence is going to be winning that boot. he's going to be winning that money, the star atop everybody's Christmas tree.
Well, now, let's hold on here. Now, Ricky Morton's back on his feet. Small package, inside cradle, a pin, and a 3 count. That's it. Here is the winner, Rock and Roll Express, Ricky Morton. All right, folks, that's all for tonight on SOM Live.
You got to stop right here. Did you just watched it played back? There's blood all in Ricky Morton's eyes. He couldn't see what's going on.
Yeah.
How did he win? How was I right there with Bobby Branham telling him to hand me my trophy and my check?
But we just saw it. He rolled up Luscious Lawrence in the inside cradle.
You're outside of your mind. Go ahead. Go ahead and finish it. I'm not taking part in this anymore till y'all get the facts straight. It's ridiculous.
Well, all right, folks. Devastation Inc. and Jason Blythe. Jason Blythe, what's been going on with you these last couple of weeks? You've aligned yourself with Prince Malik and Devastation Inc. and Derek Williams, as well as others have been saying with your words and your actions that you've turned your back on the United States of America.
I turned my back on the States of America? I did. How did I do that? Have you not heard what Derek's been coming out here saying? Talking about how good this crap hole country is, knowing very well it's not. It's not like he knows what he's talking about. All his generation did was screw up this economy. I'm out here telling the truth. I'm telling the truth to all the people. Why are they not listening to me? You should be hating him. You should be hating him, not me. I'm your hero. I'm on your side, the side of the people. Oh my God.
Well, now you're going to be facing Derek Williams at Christmas Star Wars, Johnson City Community Theater, December 28th. Should be quite a challenge for you against hard luck Derek Williams.
No challenge at all. Not even the slightest bit of a challenge. This country's lost to Vietnamese farmers. They're going to lose to me, too.
All right, well, there you have it. Jason Blythe and Devastation Inc.
See what you've done? See what you've done, McCorkle? You have gone and pissed off Devastation Incorporation. Way to go.
Singles action here. Jason Blythe working away on the medic now.
Way to go.
Jason Blythe washing the boot laces across medic number 1's face. Wow. Huge clothesline from Jason Blythe. The newest acquisition of Prince Malik and Devastation Incorporated. And these fans, starting the USA champ, these are the best fans in wrestling, champ.
Or the worst.
The SOM fans and Jason Blythe charging in with a huge.
I thought we were at a wrestling match. I didn't know this was a Trump rally.
Wow, what a maneuver from Jason Blythe. Takes down medic number 1.
There it is.
Hooking the leg and a cover. A win for Jason Blythe.
Shout, rant, and rave all you want to. It ain't gonna make no difference.
What's going on here? Assaulted with that flag of the United Arab Emirates. Auburn away, and look at that Prince Malik is blocking the referee.
Good. Where was all this concern when Brian Rivers was getting jumped? Huh? Answer the question, Corky.
Brian Rivers is dumb.
He was.
What do you mean? Hey, wait a minute, there's a little help. Derek Williams. Hard luck, Derek Williams now. Into the fray, but he just gets the flag across his body. And wait a minute. Jason Blythe hits his move there.
They broke the flagpole across his back. Here come, get RT3 out of here.
This is the SOM heavyweight champ. Now sooner or later,
Get him out of here.
and RT3 are going to meet up. Sultan is the golden ticket holder.
This is why we need security, Corky. We need security because of idiots like RT3. He don't belong in that ring right now. What bone does he have to pick in this fight? None. Get that idiot out of the ring.
Well, let's see if we can find out. I'm going to go get a word with RT3.
Why did they shoot Harambe but not the gorilla RT3?
What's going on here, champ?
Derek Williams, it's all the same to you. I'd like to team with you next week to take on these bums and prove why America is the best in the country, in the world. It don't matter where it is. It's the best no matter where. And I want to prove it with you next week in the main event.
What do you say, Derek Williams, to teaming up with RT3 against Devastation Inc.?
You wanted the best, you got the best. Here we come, USA!
Well, there you have it, folks. RT3 teaming with Hard Luck Derek Williams to take on Devastation Inc. in the main event next week. We'll be right back with more, folks, in our main event tonight. Austin Henry taking on Silas Dooley. That's coming up right after this, folks.
The boot, the prestige, the money of the Bunkhouse Stampede. Being the baddest of the bad. Being the bull of the woods, if you will. 25, 30 men stampeded into one little bit of ring, you understand? With one thing in mind, to hurt somebody, to kick somebody's booty, to twist their arm off and put their ankles up in the chin. The Bunkhouse Stampede, if you want to just feel a little bit of how bad it is to be the baddest, to be the bull of the woods, then and only then, buy your ticket, walk in and sit down and watch Moo, the bull of the woods.
Silas Dooley here all alone today.
Yes, he is.
I don't know where Ricky is. But the family taking this opportunity to pick Silas Dooley in one-on-one competition.
Silas Dooley is up a stinky, dirty creek without a paddle, if you get where I'm going.
Right now, there's that Dooley music. It's going crazy for Silas Dooley.
This has got to be the worst music that has ever coursed through my ears.
What do you mean? It's great.
It is absolutely, I feel dumber having heard it.
You never feel like you want to get in your car on the way out of one of these SOM events and turn on the Dooley song?
No, not at all. Do you?
Oh, I do.
Do you actually listen to this?
I do, yeah.
You are a joke. It's like the more you talk, the less I respect you.
All right, now there's the bell, and it's on. Non-title.
Get him, Austin.
Hey, although he will be defending tomorrow night here at SOM for Uprising.
Whoa! Wait a minute! Get out of my way! What do you mean?
Triple team going on against Silas Dooley. A boot party from the White Claw Outlaws and the family here against Silas Dooley. Johnson Garrett is going to sit down. Who in the world is this guy? Well, that appears to be another Dooley that we have not seen before, and Pat Bartlett and Austin Henry are in shock. Who is this man? Big right hand from that Dooley. Just clothesline. 2 minute once. What in the heck is going on here, folks? We got these Dooleys are everywhere. We got another Dooley, folks. And, well, we'll find out. We'll see you here next week and find out more about this. And we'll see you tomorrow here at SOM, 5 p.m. for SOM Uprising. It's all going down, folks, and we'll see you next week. for more SOM Live.